Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. Make sure every stakeholder has an Office 365 license and Teams access, including any external guests. Next, create the project team and pick private versus org-wide based on visibility, because that choice affects permissions later. Once created, assign at least one owner and add core members. Then, immediately add channels, general, planning, workstreams, and files, and enable wiki and files integration so version documents sync from day one. Now focus on execution. Create a planner board or use tasks by Planner Plus to do, and break work into buckets that mirror milestones. Assign owners and due dates so responsibility is clear. Integrate SharePoint for file storage and OneNote for centralized meeting notes, and pin a Power BI tab for live metrics. Then add tabs for the project plan, calendar, and deliverables. Once done, schedule recurring stand-ups in a meeting tab and link agendas. This keeps rhythm, traceability, and visibility across the team. To finish the project cleanly, run regular reviews. Update task statuses, close or archive completed channels, and export Planner or Power BI reports for stakeholders. Then set retention policies and tighten SharePoint permissions before removing ex-members. This preserves records and prevents leaks. If something goes wrong, say files or tasks won't sync, clear the team's cache, sign out, and re-authenticate, then verify SharePoint permissions. If issues persist, escalate to IT with logs. Doing these final steps keeps project closure tidy and auditable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.